In this video, I will show you how to increase maximum brightness on your Samsung Android device. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. All right, guys, click on your setting apps on your phone. And then from here, you want to scroll down and click on display. And as you can see under dark mode settings, it says brightness. So what you want to do is put that all the way to the right hand side. And then also you can turn on adaptive brightness. So adaptive brightness increases battery life by adjusting brightness automatically and gives you a higher maximum brightness for use in bright sunlight. So you can also turn that on or off. So if you want to keep it on, it will adjust your brightness to your settings. But if you keep it off and make your brightness all the way, as you can see, your phone will be at its maximum brightness level. Once done, go back to your home page like so. Thanks for watching.